Prolong HD. Sponsored by Automatic Entertainment Group, Black Gold Entertainment.
Oh dog, you see, so we come here already.
That's what?
Run a circle and go my yard. You know see that? You see, you come right us already.
Dog, ease yourself, no man. I know me and go dog. I know a place in the dog. I know a place. I want to my yard.
You know, like tell him I say a circle, you circle your place. Look and see if on a circle, you circle.
Yo dog, you know say a glass of dark. John no star. Circle, circle.
You come and cannot even see.
Alright, here you ask somebody for direction.
I don't to feel you tell me say you know the place, you come and rare.
Just ease yourself, no dog. We're not last, man. We're not last. We're ask the direction. Alright, we're going to ask the John bro.
We're going to ask the little old man up here running.
Oh yeah man, come on.
It's a drive. And if I some drive by or some walk by. Drive on it. It is your foot. Lick it, man. It is your foot. Lick it.
No, big man.
It is your foot.
No, elder. I won't do that. Elder.
Listen, boy, I don't know hurricane.
Listen, old man. You hear what I say?
Now, this little boy. I used to drive big car too. You think I don't know if to drive? I have car in there too. You know?
You're supposed to know, man.
What go on, elder? Why you easy though? You drink rum and bulla. Anyway, I want to know which part of stop John Brown live. Yeah man, can you give me direction because I last, you know.
Yeah man, I know where is Mr. Brown. I know where Mr. Brown live. It's when you go up the straight corner there, you take the left, then you go over to the right. So when you go over to the right, you're going to see a church next to the left. And then you follow that blue house over there, right down the road, not too far from here though. And when you go down the hill and you go cross, you just go up the corner there, take the left and go round. And when you go round, you go up there and go over to the left corner. And when you go in the straight bend, you're going to see a blue shop. You follow that blue shop right to the end. And when you take the deep corner around there, with the straight corner, you come back right around and you go around there. You just look right up the next hill and you see Mr. Brown house. Just go check him. Good boy, I must tell you. Oi! Ooh! Charles J.B. rum. And the young boy I know they rum here. They rum a big man thing. It's big man thing, not little boy thing.
Will you just tell me a while ago, my last again? Tell me again, boss.
Go right up there, sir. You see when they go right around the corner?
Yeah.
You take the straight end.
Yeah.
You see the blue shop around there?
Yeah.
You just drive until you go around the corner there.
Yeah.
It's right around there, man. Right around the corner. Just right around there, man.
Straight on the main?
Yes, man. Just right around there, no. Right around there.
Alright. Thank you for the information.
Young boy, I'm going over to Matty. Matty. No Matty. Matty, no Matty.
Prolong HD. Sponsored by Automatic Entertainment.